Hey everybody, welcome to the first video of the newly rebranded Grey County Grilling. I am Chris and welcome. Thanks for joining me. Tonight, nothing too fancy. I'm going to do some skin on, bone in chicken breasts, and we're going to do them in the Big Easy. We're going to inject them, rub them, throw them in, so stick around. Okay, here are our chicken breasts. So we've got 4 bone-in, skin-on breasts. First step, we're going to inject them. And again, we're using Cajun Injector. Well, there we go. I'm going to keep the lid off for now. It's cold outside, but I'm not too worried. I mean, the inside of that Big Easy gets super hot, so I'm not concerned, but I'll probably put it on for the last few minutes just to crisp up the skin a little bit, and we'll see how things go. We'll check in a little bit. All right, we're at internal temperature 145 on the chicken. 165 is what we're aiming for. So at this point, I am going to put the lid on. And again, that is a reflecting lid, and what it does is reflect the heat back down onto the chicken, and it helps crisp up the skin. So this is the final step. Just a few more minutes and we will be done. Okay, we are at 165 internal temperature on that one breast. So let's pull the lid off and take a look. Oh, those look so good. Wow. And the smell coming off of them, that Korean barbecue rub is fantastic. Look at that. Look at that right down in there. Those look amazing. All right. We're going to pull these out. Get them out of here. Get them inside. Get the temperature probe out of here first. There we go. Get these inside, let them sit for a couple of minutes, and we're going to cut into one to see what we can find. Alright, stick around. Alright, brought the chicken in, and we have let it sit for a little bit, so let's cut in. Now when I picked this up, there was already juice coming out of every little part of it. And you can, I don't know if you can see it here the way I'm cutting it, but there is just juice coming out of every little knife cut I make here. Holy. Alright, there's a little chunk. Geez, look at that. Look at that. That is juicy. You can see the heat coming out of the chicken. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Alright, let's give it a taste. That is awesome. Wow. That might be the best chicken breast I've ever made. Absolutely fantastic. You can taste a little bit of the marinade that went in there. That rub, the Korean barbecue rub, turned out to be a little bit spicier than I thought it would be, but that's fine. We can handle a little bit of spice, and just that Big Easy every time gives you the juiciest, tenderest piece of chicken, turkey, whatever you're putting in it. Wow, awesome. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, click on subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.